Hello everyone, welcome to Midway High School Open House for the school year 2021-2022. I am Miss Layden. I will be teaching AP Calculus AB this year. I wanted to give you guys some information about me before we get rolling into the nitty-gritty stuff. I graduated from Baylor University in December of 2019. I have a degree in mathematics with an education concentration, and I spent my fall semester internship at Midway High School and was lucky enough to get offered a job, and I started teaching at Midway High School in the spring of 2020, so this is my second full year teaching here at Midway High School. Since we had to have a virtual open house, I decided to take some pictures of my classroom to post in here. So we have our desks organized in groups in my classroom, and we've got the agenda on the back wall with a weeks-long view of what's coming up ahead, and then my side wall of my classroom has some fun stuff about me and just stuff from old students. So yeah, that's my classroom. So now all of the Calculus AB things. So students received 2 notebooks during the first week of school. We complete notes in one of those red notebooks every single day. So all of the things that we learn in class are in the red notebooks that students have. And then they have a corresponding homework book that is blue, has a blue front page. And I do not take homework, the completion of homework for a grade, but students can expect to have homework checks at least once per week. So some of those may be planned and students know ahead of time, and I do reserve the right to hold pop homework checks over any homework that has been assigned previously. As you may have noticed, and like I said, my desks are arranged in groups in my classroom, and that is because collaboration is a huge part of my class. Students complete many assignments in groups to encourage their mathematical conversation and give them extensive learning opportunities. So I really believe that students learn just as well from me as they do from their peers, and I really encourage them to talk about calculus in class every single day. So that's why we work in groups quite often. Assessments, students can expect to take a test about once every other week over the material that we have been learning in class. Everything in calculus builds on itself, so we need to make sure students are keeping up with what they need to know so that no one's getting lost or stuck behind. Since this is an AP class, retests may not always be offered. AP tests are curved, just depending on an AP scale of how they would correlate to a 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1 on the AP test. So students just need to be super cautious about coming in and making sure they are prepared for those assessments. Our grading policy is as follows. Practice grades are worth 20%, application grades are also worth 20%, and evaluation grades are 60%. So those practice grades come from homework checks and any like short in-class practice activities we may do. Application grades come from any bigger quizzes that we take, or we have free response Fridays quite often, and then evaluation grades are those tests. And some just general information about me. My tutorials are Tuesday through Friday morning, 7:55 to 8:25. And students know they are more than willing to ask if they need some other time to meet with me. My conference is 8th period at the end of the day from 3:15 to 4, and the best way to get in touch with me is to email me there. So I'm super excited for this year and teaching calculus, and I hope to get to hear from you guys soon.